Get ready to sneak, sabotage, and survive together with your crewmates, even when you're all in the same room. First things first, ensure everyone you want to play with has Among Us installed on their device. Whether it's a phone or a PC, it's crucial that all players are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once everyone's connected to the same Wi-Fi, open Among Us and tap the online button on the main screen. On the online screen, you'll see a few options for playing with friends on a local network. We're interested in the Friends tab here. Now, one person needs to be the host. They'll tap the Create Game button. The host can then customize their game. They can choose their preferred map, how many imposters there are, usually 1 to 3, and the maximum number of players allowed. Once they're happy with the settings, they tap Confirm. This will create their lobby, and you'll see a unique lobby code displayed prominently on the screen, usually at the bottom. Now, for everyone else who wants to join this game, they'll go back to the Friends tab on their own devices and tap Join Game. Here, they'll need to enter that exact lobby code that the host shared with them. Precision is key. Once the code is entered correctly, they'll join the host's lobby. You'll see each other appear here as you all connect. Before starting, the host can make the lobby public if they wish, though it's not necessary for local play. Once all friends are in and ready, the host simply taps Start, and just like that, you're ready to play Among Us locally with your friends. Get to work doing tasks, or start scheming as an imposter, and enjoy your in-person gaming session.